If you haven't yet tried ACG juice, you should go ahead and do it now. This juice has only 4 ingredients and it's highly beneficial to your body. Our first ingredient is apples. Apples are full of antioxidants and also serve as a natural sweetener, so there's no need for added sugar. Ginger is excellent for digestion and boosts gut motility. Ginger is also high in anti-inflammatory and a host of antioxidant properties. I will add a whole lemon for a touch of citrus. First, I will remove the peel and then add it to the juicer. Lemons are known to be a natural diuretic and pulls out excess water from your body. Lemons also provide polyphenols that protects your cells from damage. And last but not least are carrots. Carrots will beautify your skin and nourish your eyes. They are packed with beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, and potassium. And right now my carrots have produced so much fiber, it has stopped my juicer from working. So I will have to open it up, remove all of the pulp, and restart. So bear with me as I do that. And now is a fitting time to ask you to go ahead, like, subscribe, share this video, leave a comment, because I really and truly need the support. So we are ready to juice again. Juicer is clean and juicing is getting ready to go on again. See, I gave it the thumbs up, juicer is running and all is well. So now I'm getting ready to mix it all together. All natural, nothing added, no sugar, no preservative, nothing. All natural fruits. Great and healthy for your body. Please go ahead and try this one. It is super refreshing. So whether you choose to serve this juice chilled or serve it over ice, it is just as delicious. Smooth, refreshing, delicious, and nutritious. So the next time you feel for a refreshing drink, remember this recipe and go ahead and make this one. And please remember to give my playlist a run. I really need your support. It's right up there to the left. Please set it on play and take your time to go through the videos. There's a whole lot for you to enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.